Okay, dear students, our first chapter is Vedic math. Vedic math is included in your syllabus. It's 3 marks chapter. Okay, so in your examination, main examination, 3 marks questions will come from this chapter. So what we are going to study about in this chapter, we will study square, how we find square of a number, cube, and division or multiplication. Multiplication is also multiplication and division and division. Okay, so these some topics are here. We will study in this chapter, and these come from your syllabus. Okay. So square, cube, multiplication, division. These we know by the without any formula we can solve them. हम इन्हें without directly solve कर सकते हैं, but we have some methods here such for निकलम, for त्रिज्याम, ध्वजांक, व्याजांक एंड सूत्र प्रावर्त्य योजना. सूत्र प्रावर्त्य योजना, प्रावर्त्य योजना. So these are some formulas, methods by which we can solve that. Niklam. This process used for multiplication and division. This Uttaravyam is used for only multiplication. This Dvajank. Dvajank is used for division, and Sutra Paravartya is also used for multiplication and division. So how we can find the square and cube? Square and cube by solved by the निकलम. निकलम से हम इन्हें solve करना सीखें. So mostly in your topic, in your book, these formulas, these some special methods are there which we use. Okay. So first I am going to teach you निकलम. Okay. Okay. First Urdu trigram start. Then we will go निकलम. Okay. So first is what? Urdu trigram. Urdu trigram. Trigram. As such as name indicate that Urdu. Urdu means vertical. Urdu vertical. This only vertical. Means triya. In the Hindi sciences are here triya. It means cross. Okay, cross. And here multiplication. Okay, so it is a Sanskrit word, and it means that we multiply the numbers vertically and cross. So we will do what? We will multiply the numbers of the digits vertically and cross terms में multiply करें. Okay, let's see. If here is an example, here is a term 3 2 8 multiplied with 2 7 9. Okay, this is a number. How we can solve by this formula? First we have to know that how many steps of pair to make this. So first step. How we can find? There is a formula of this 2n minus 1. Here is a formula 2n minus 1. So n is what? N is number of maximum number of digits. That means how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many digits are here? Maximum number of digits we are to find it here. So then 2, 3 and minus 1. Because here n is equals to is what? 3. N is equals to is what? 3. So now this is 5. This is what? 5. Now we are to make 5 steps. How many steps? 5 steps. First 5, 4, third, second and first. Now we are to arrange all the digits in this way. First 9, then 79, and second is 2 digits. So 79. And the third 3 digits. Third is 3 digits. So 279. 279. Okay. Now we have completed this portion. So now 4. 4 में क्या आएगा? 2 digits. Next 2 digits. So 27. And then 2. इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है, फर्स्ट कंप्लीट करना है एंड देन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर स्टार्ट कर देना है जब उसकी ऑल डिजिट्स कंप्लीट हो जाए. सो फर्स्ट वी नोटेड 9, देन 79, देन 279 एंड देन वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल डिजिट. सो नाउ इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर 27 एंड देन 2. ओके, यू कैन अरेंज इन दिस नंबर इन दिस वे आल्सो, बट यू कांट अपोजिट द टर्म्स. टर्म्स को अपोजिट मत कर देना, कहीं स्टार्ट करो आप 9 से. Don't mind it, go 7, not this proper way, okay? And at here 8, 2, so 28, 3 to 8, and then 32, and then 3. Okay, so here under it, draw under a line, इस तरह से. Okay, then make the arrows. Name what Urdu means vertically. When you get a single number, then you are to multiply this vertically. Okay. Okay. Then if you have two numbers, then you are to multiply cross. How? Cross. Wherever we will get only a single number, then we will multiply vertically, otherwise we will multiply cross. So in 3 digits what we will do? We do cross and then vertically. Then we will multiply it vertically. And then in the 2 digits again cross and then here cross. Now we are to solve it. Solve करना है इसे. How? I am going to erase it. Erase कर रहे हैं, okay? Let's see. 9 multiplied with 8, 70. Is what? 72. And draw a oblique line. Oblique line draw करो. Then 8 multiplied with 7, 56. So write 56 and then plus, and then 9 into 2, 18, then oblique, 8 into 2, 16, then plus, 3 into 9, 27, then plus, and 7 into 2, it's 14. And then draw again oblique. Okay, next term के लिए क्या आएगा? Oblique. I am going to write that here. And then 3 into 7, 21, and 2 into 2, 4. So at here. Okay, and then 2 into 3, 6. This is completed. in the next step, because this step will come under at here. Okay, ये इसके डाउनवर्ड आएगा. I have not space, so I am writing it here. यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं है इसलिए यहाँ पे लिखा है. Okay, now this is 72 oblique. This is 56 plus 18, 74 oblique. This is 16, this is 14, 30, 30 plus 27, 57 oblique. 25 oblique 6. Okay, we have done it. Now we are to solve it. So if we are to solve it, okay, solve it now. First, always in Urdu Trivium, base is 10. What the base? What we will take? Base 10. So here, when the base is 10, we will take only single one digit. One digit will take first unit digit. So first unit digit is 2. Next digit will carry on next number. So it will add it here. Add हो जाएगा. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 81. 81. Then it is 1. Okay. This 8. 81. 8. So 8 will come at here for the carry. This will come as 65. 65, that means 5. And 6 will add here. 31, 31, that means 1. 3 is next to the carry and add here 9. So answer is 91512. This is the answer of multiplication of that number. And number was 328 and okay. So it was the number and you multiply that, you will get this multiplication. Okay, this is your Urdu Trivium process. So in this process, first you make the step. आपने steps बनाए. How we find the step? By the formula. Formula was what? 2n minus 1. Then we put the number of digits. N is number of digits, maximum number of digits. So we divide it in the steps. Okay. Then what we done? We done in the group. First हमने group बनाए. And first group, second group and third, fourth, fifth. And numbers will be arranged. ठीक है, arrange किए, then multiply the numbers. How? First vertically, then cross. Okay, and then we will get the multiplication answers 9, 8, 72 and like this. Okay, so I will take a next example of this. Okay, let's see. If number is okay, here are the 4 digits and here are the 3 digits. It both are not have the equal digits. Equal digits नहीं है ना? Here 4, here 3. So what we will do? We are to make equal digits. If we are to make equal digits, we are to add some number. हमें एक digit add करना पड़ेगा. So what digit we can add? 0. So 0 you are to add here or here. We can add this digit before the 7. Okay. So we will add this. So number becomes the 8705 and this 0785 because 0 won't be impact this. Impact नहीं करेगा इसको. Now steps फाइंड करने हैं. नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स क्या हो जाएंगे? स्टेप्स क्या हो जाएंगे? नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स 2n minus 1. So that will like that. Okay. 2. N is 4 and minus 1 equal to 7. Means how many steps we are to make? 7 steps we are to make. 7 steps. That means now make the 7 steps. First 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and first. Okay. Now arrange the all numbers. Arrange करो first से करते हैं. 5, then 8 5, then 7 8 5, then 0 7 8 5, 0 7 8 5, then 0 7 8, then 0 7, then 0. Okay. So how will first 0, then 0 7, then 0 7 8, then 0 7 8 5, and then 7 8 5, because 0 we have completed all the four numbers, then we are decreasing this, and 7 8 5, then first 8 5, then 5. Okay. Then now in the next 8 7 8 7 0, 8 7 0 5, 8 7 0 7 0 5, 0 5, and 5. Okay. We are to draw this line. Now multiply vertically. First number vertically. We have the two numbers means cross. 2 persons, that means cross. Okay? And 3 persons, that means first, second, third. If the 3 digits are here, that time first and last and middle comes vertical. Okay? If 4 digits, so first and last. But here 2 digits again, so cross. First and second. Okay? Remember it. Here first and last, and this middle comes also in the cross. Okay? Then this is in multiplication cross, and this is single one digit, so vertical. Okay? Then here cross, and this is in cross. This is in vertical. Okay? We have not problem in. Okay. Multiply 5 multiply with 5, 25. What we will get? 25. Oblique 5 multiply with 8, 40, and plus 0. Okay, then oblique 5 multiply with 7, 35, plus 5 multiply with 7, 35, plus, and 0 will multiply 8, 0. Oblique 5 multiply with 0, 0. 8 multiply with 5, 40. 7 multiply with 8, 56. And 7 multiply with 0, 0. Okay? Oblique. Then 0 multiply with 0, 0. 8 multiply with 8, 64. 7 multiply with 7, 49. Oblique. 7 multiply with 8, 56. And 7 into 0, 0. And 0 into 8, 0. Okay, now next. Solve it. 25. Oblique. 0 plus 40, 40. Oblique. 35 plus 35, 75. Oh, sorry, 70. Oblique. 56 plus 40, 96. Okay. Oblique. 64 and 49. So this becomes 100. Okay, and 56 plus 0, 56, and last term is 0. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay. There is another. Okay. Let's see. 25, 40, 70, and this is 96 and 113, and this is 56 and 0. Okay. Now, base is always 10. Base क्या रहेगा? 10. So we are to take only one digit. So first digit is 5. So first is 5. Next digit will carry to this. So this become 42. 42. Then 2 will come at here. Then 4 carry for this. 74. Then this is 4. And 7 will carry this. 103. 103 is at 3. And 10 will carry for this. 10. 123. 123 this 3. Then 12. 12 carry for this. This becomes 68. So this is your answer. Okay. So this is your answer. This is your Urdu Trivium multiplication. Okay. I hope you understand.